Greetings from the veteran, and welcome back to Operation Lightning. Here for Commonwealth and France, turn 3, July 37. Start off with tech, me rolling for proof construction and factories. While here we'll just roll French tech as well for heavy armor. Ooh, heavy armor is a success. Stage 1. Factories misses. And improve construction, advanced stage 2. All right. Good. All right, purchases. Oh, I didn't do Great Britain yet. Or FEC. Actually, I need to check. Yeah, they have another militia. So FEC buys a militia and an infantry. Or militia upgrade, sorry. Anzac is buying a factory upgrade. Medium factory for 7, saving 2, collecting 3, ending with 5. FEC is spending 5, collecting 5. Great Britain has 12. Finish a light carrier. By infantry. A militia upgrade. And a militia. And that'll be it. We'll save 1, collect 12, end with 13. Alright, 12. Yeah. Alright, moves. Our infantry. Hop on this transport. Hold on a second. Okay, and go down to 3 to Gibraltar. Go on ports. Then the Navy in Gibraltar. Move. Join the 4th Fleet. And we will actually bring this carrier 1, 2, 3. Four. A light cruiser. Destroyer. And a TBD. Actually, the light cruiser is going to join the fleet. Full fleet. Okay. 16, 17, 19, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Transport will move over to lower. Actually, no, it'll go back to Southern England, go in port. 3 heavy cruisers will also go in port. Okay. What else? This transport. 1, 2, 3. Drops in Lower Egypt. Infantry walks to Lower Egypt. This infantry rails to Calcutta. These transports go 1, 2, 3. Actually, they will strat move. 4, 5. Work there. Okay. Ooh, Anzac boats. Forgot to move those last turn. 1, 2, 3. coastal sub will move down. Alright, place units. Factory upgrade there. Infantry and militia upgrade for FEC. Upgrade the guy in southern India. Alright. One, two, three. Okay, yeah. Alright, Great Britain. We will do our militia upgrade in British Somaliland. Is an infantry in Lower Egypt. Some militia in southern England. And place our light carrier in port. Alright. Yeah, we've collected. France's rolled tech. France's buy. Is to complete the fortification in Paris. And buy a militia. Alright, Paris is fortified. And this transport, grab this infantry, go 1, 2. This transport grabs these 2 units and brings them to southern France. AAA will move to southern France. we'll place a militia in. Actually, we will move infantry from Alsace back to Paris. Move a militia from Paris into Normandy, and we'll place a militia in Aquitaine. And that'll do it for the French and Commonwealth. Oh wait, actually, naval movements. Destroyer, go forward, join the first fleet. Battleships will join fourth fleet. The TBD. Actually, the TBD will go to M9. Destroyer, go here. Sub goes 1, 2, 3 to the Red Sea. Alright, French sub goes 1, 2, 813. Sub will go 1, 2. Go up to here. Okay, I think that'll do it. And we'll pass it off to Deco for Italy. Turn